Understairs storage area designs are a smart and stylish way to use unused space in your home. This area is often overlooked, but with the right design, it can become one of the most functional parts of your interior. Whether your home is small or spacious, understairs storage helps keep everything organized while enhancing the overall look of your space. One popular idea is creating built-in cabinets and drawers under the stairs. These are perfect for storing shoes, bags, books, or household items while keeping the area neat and clutter-free. For a modern touch, handle-less cabinets and soft-close drawers add a clean and elegant look. Open shelves can also be used to display decor items, plants, or photo frames. Understairs spaces can also be transformed into a compact home office, reading nook, or even a mini pantry. For families, this area works well as toy storage or a small study corner for kids. Adding proper lighting, such as LED strip lights or spotlights, makes the space more functional and visually appealing. With smart planning, quality materials, and creative ideas, understairs storage area designs help maximize space, improve organization, and add both style and value to your home.